Yo, man, it's your boy Sway back here, another video, man. In Chicago, with a home city, hometown, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm 33 minutes from my location that I'm supposed to be at, but driving in Chicago is just fucking crazy, man. Like, as soon as I get to Chicago, I gotta drive so much different, bro. Like, people don't care down here. Like, look at this nigga behind me, just on my ass. I'm chilling. With this car, like, just every car down here, they like, it's basically we cut it up in traffic all day long on that highway with somebody. Like, it don't have to be a scat, cat, anything like that, you feel me? Nigga, a fucking Chevy Cruze gonna be cut it up with you if you're on the highway in Chicago, you feel me? Nissan Altima, especially the Nissan. Y'all know what I'm talking about when I say the Nissan. Nissan Altima people be cutting up, for real. I've been getting good gas mileage though. I just drove like 3 hours, you feel me? I got 23.3 miles per gallon to the gallon, you feel me? So, come on, bro. You gotta go faster than this, brother. What we doing? Pick these ships up real quick. Might let the windows down for a second. Hopefully y'all see everything good though. But yeah, man, just driving to Chicago, driving my Camaro into Chicago, it's crazy. This is like my third time taking it though. I'll be nervous, but shit, this is probably my last time taking it for, I ain't gonna lie to you. So, yeah, it has been raining. I mean, it's dry now, but going through Indiana, so it was just raining the whole time, basically. I had to go like 40 miles. I had to literally go 40 miles for like an hour. Or I would have been here already. But this car needs, I need to do something. I don't know. Can't really do nothing. See, just going nuts. So let me see what he on. My mom. I don't know if y'all like the windows down or just the windows up. I don't know. Let me know in the comments which one y'all like, for real. On the highway though, the fucking roads are so terrible, bro. Just sprinkling and stuff, for real. Got 30 minutes though. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'll probably stop talking. This what's this right here? G25. Damn, damn. The door not even open. The door open on that motherfucker. They hit that motherfucker so bad. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna really stop talking probably and I'll probably talk. It's just like all the other videos. I'm gonna talk sometimes. My POV videos, I'm gonna talk sometimes, but I'm gonna let y'all hear the car, you know? So, yeah, we got something. Please let me get past here. I got another video coming after this video, taking a Camaro to the hood. You know what I'm saying? Cause you back in the, you know? Back in the hood, you know what I'm saying? Freaking day fool, I got here safe though. right here. Chicago Loop. This is 12. Wait, what the fuck? What is this? Like security or something. I don't know what they is. I don't know if that's 12 or not. Shit, I'm going fucking 70. I don't know what the speed limit is. Shit. Not catching me though, brother. I'm going Chicago Loop. Probably shouldn't ever try that again. That was fun though. It's fucking dangerous. These bumps are crazy here, boy. That Challenger. Gonna cut in his lane and go slow. Crazy. Look back. Big bag, big bag. Oh, let me see it. I glad. No, I'm so glad it's not raining down here, bro. Damn, my boy need a head gasket. Ooh, now we see all the traffic. Ooh, what's that? BMW. What kind of BMW though? That's the thing. He's driving so slow, bruh. What the fuck this nigga trying to do? Tripping, bruh. Downtown Chicago. You know if I can see, but I'll try to get y'all to see. Look, bro, this one people don't know how to drive right here. That's that road. Exit. Knock off some. sure I was recording. Give y'all a look. Give y'all a look real. And the sun about to come out a little bit. They go, what? Nigga, it's blossom. That's the white line. It's hot as hell out here though. Damn, it's hot. That's crazy. I was trying to cut up with him. Almost missed it. Oh, I supposed to win. Oh, shit. Well, I ain't missed my turn, but I gotta go keep one straight. I thought I missed it though. Now we in 12 right here. 12 right there too. Hey man, I think that's probably it for the video. I mean, I got 7 minutes. I can keep going, but that's probably it for the video, man. Y'all stay tuned and like the video, subscribe. I'm out, man. Peace.